In this series, we'll explore Jetty in Java, but before diving in, let's brush upon the basics of servers and clients. Simply speaking, the client sends an HTTP request, the server processes it, often running some business logic, and then returns an HTTP response back to the client. The most well-known example would be when we go into Chrome, we hit google.com, and Google takes this request, runs some business logics, and then sends the response in the form of HTML, so that on Chrome we can see Google's main page. So the question is why we need HTTP. The best analogy is sending a letter to someone in real life. In order to send a letter, we do need recipient's name, address, return address, and stamp sticker. So these are the base information we need to send a letter properly. Likewise, in order for two computers to communicate, which are clients and servers, we do need HTTP as a protocol which provides those base information. So the purpose of a letter could be many things. It could ask for the new information, send new information, replace something or remove something. And they correspond to get, post, put, delete methods in HTTP. So the example of HTTP looks like this. So HTTP request will contain a HTTP method which is post, and it's hitting the endpoint login using HTTP 1.1 as a protocol. There are other HTTP protocols like HTTP 2 and 3, but it's not within the scope of this tutorial. And it's hitting the host example.com, so we're essentially hitting example.com/login. It will take it JSON as a response, and it's sending JSON to the server. So we are sending username and password to the server processes it and sends 200 as a status code, and it will send JSON as a response which contains the login successful message. So in this tutorial, we are going to use Jetty as a server, and we'll explore different features of Jetty and why Jetty is used.